In the middle of winter, this is what I'm still eating from my garden. Every one of these ingredients were either just harvested or came from the pantry that I stocked earlier in the season by prepping our own homegrown veggies. This is why I garden, and this is why I preserve, because eating from your own garden in January almost feels like a small miracle every single time. I am almost to the end of this jar of dried cherry tomatoes. They are delicious. Can't forget the farm fresh eggs, and here's what we're looking at. Yes, I do keep the salad containers I bought at the store and keep my own salad mix in them. Here's some fresh spinach and some fresh Swiss chard. The Italian lettuce blend was so good. It has a very peppery flavor, which gave my salads a nice touch. These lettuces were just about at the end of their lives, but keeping them covered with frost cloth really helped keep them a lot longer. You can either cut or tear your lettuces. And here's what we're looking at as far as the base of our salad. We've got some onion, which was the best crop for us in 2025. Also, our carrots grew really well and big this year. I just pulled these out of the ground about a week ago. Some carrot ribbons to add color to this salad. And since we're trying to keep things natural and sustainable this year, I'm using the sugarcane plates from Ecolipac. They're made from bamboo and sugar canes, so they're sturdy, biodegradable, PFAS-free, and completely plastic-free. They're microwavable, no bending, no sagging, and I can put these right into the compost pile. All right, we've got our pickled beets, our pickled radishes, and the dehydrated cherry tomatoes that I will keep the oil once I'm done, as now it is tomato-infused extra virgin olive oil. Then we've got sweet banana peppers, and in this jar is a little bit of garlic for a nice touch. Now onto my induction stove to get those eggs boiling. Leave a comment below letting me know how you cook the perfect hard-boiled egg. I would love to know. All right, these are just about perfect. Slice them up. And for the final taste test, yep, winter doesn't stop this garden. I'm still trying to keep it healthy, not just for the new year, but for the whole year. I'm so looking forward to spring.